Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix transparency effect not working in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and by that, you'd be able to open the small window called Run, where here you need to tap for Reged Edit. Again, tap for Reged Edit and click on OK the moment you have typed it. You would be redirected to this window, and if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you'd be able to see this window. Where here you need to proceed with the upper left side of that and select HK underscore local underscore machine, double tapped it, and go with software, double tapped again, and look for Microsoft. So once you have seen it, double tapped again, and here under the Microsoft key, you need to scroll down and look for Windows. So scroll down and look for it. And once you have find it, double tap once again and look for a key named DWM. Again, look for a key named DWM. And once you have selected it, please scroll down. Okay. We're here. You need to create a new DWord 32-bit value. How we can do such? So here, please do a right click, go with new, and choose DWord 32-bit value, and name that into force, effect, mode. Click on enter, and when the moment you have created it, please double tap to it and change the value data into 2 and click on OK to continue. Once you have created a new value which is force effect mode and set the value data into 2, you need to close all of the paths that we have just opened and close the registry editor window as well. And this is the time that you need to restart your computer. So click on your start icon, tap on it, and go with your power options. Click on it and go with restart. Now there is a need to restart your computer in order to complete the process and in order to make any changes on the actions that we have just performed. So don't worry, this is harmless. It will only help you to fix the problem. Once done, check if your transparency effect is now working in your Windows or computer. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment below if you have succeeded. I would love to read all of the comments. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.